5
Alright
chaos.
guys, welcome to Art Breed. Hold on, let me connect my good microphone.
Hey guys, welcome to Art Breed.
Yeah, you can make these good looking pieces of art, and then if you switch
And then if you
angry,
just put on chaos for like
get rid of
1,000. Oh
happy,
gosh,
put a bit
we
of
can make
that, put a
furries
bit
and
of that,
furries,
a bit of that, a bit
furries,
of that, a
ugly,
bit of
ugly
that, a bit of that, a bit of that, a little less of that. Add
random.
some pitch, add a little less yaw, more
Ew,
height,
disgusting, it's a
more
parent.
width, gender go up,
Just giving me
age
things.
become negative, and you can make horrible creatures. Chaos go up.
I don't want chaos. Chaos is really stupid.
Now, if you
Chaos
wait for
is
it to load, it's going to
stupid.
become horrible. I guess not. I'll take something else and I'll become it'll become horrible. Let's take this guy for example. This guy has kids.
It does? Jeez.
Yeah, there's children and then crossbreed.
Why are they
You
both
can
the
add.
same?
You can
Oh my
make
God.
images out of other
They're all the
images. So let's get
same, it's
random.
stinky.
Let's get Shrek's cousin or Shrek's
What?
niece. Style
Shrek.
go down, face go up, and I didn't mean to make something look good. Whoops. I gotta make something horrible, not good. So if you go down, you know, looks good, except for the furry ones. Those ones are bad, automatically. You can make
Why are they
horrible,
just all this? Oh, I'm just gonna put
horrible,
everything to the max.
terrible,
Putting everything to the max.
absolutely horrendous things, just like just like this!
It's like Johnny.
Just like this bloody red man. He's red. He's just red.
Wait, send it to me, send it to me, send it to me, send it to me.
Okay, fine, I'll send it to you.
All of these pictures are the same.
There's just a red man. They all trace back to the same exact thing if you turn everything down. So that's just the Discord. That's what he sent me, and here's what I sent him. The red bloody man. What about with less chaos?
New
What about
SCP,
less
new
chaos?
SCP.
Oh my god, SCP. Oh, what is it saying to me? What is it saying to me?
I want to make some characters.
What is this? What is it
I want
saying
to
to me?
animate. Yo, I get to.
Phasmophobia with
Oh, I
two
can't.
idiots.
I don't know how to animate, so I'm just gonna go to characters.
What is it saying to me?
I want red.
It's
I don't
telling
want
me
any
something.
blue. Any nope. What is that ugly man? It's an ugly man. Sharpness.
Oh no! Oh god! Oh, what is this?
I want them to be thick.
What is it saying to me? What is it saying to me?
I don't like ninja.
Go back. What is it saying to
Go
me?
back, go
Alright, that's the wrong thing. Alright, that's enough of no. Get rid of it. Get it off my
Refresh
screen.
for now.
So there's good stuff. Whoops. There's good stuff,
my
and then
God.
there's
This woman has no clothes.
ah!
This woman has
Then
no
there's
clothes.
that and
They're all basic. They're all stupid and
that.
basic.
There's that horrible thing. And
Oh, wait, are you just doing general or?
yeah, I think there's just random stuff. Oh my god, I found a horrible monster.
Chaos is 0.5. There we go. I don't want no chaos. Oh, it's doggy. I want.
Doggy?
Give me all of the chaos.
All of the chaos. I wonder if I
God.
can make this horrible. I mean, it already is kind
I
of. But
think you're in portraits or something.
let's put a big smile on that face.
I don't want to try furries. Furries
Let's
is
get
just
away
too
from
scary.
Looking at viewer, look at me. Open mouth. Oh my god, that's gonna be terrible.
Open your
It's gonna
mouth
look
all the
horrible.
way.
It's gonna look
I want
horrible.
it to be. I
Chaos
want it
go
to be
all the
0.
way uppy. I'm scared. I'm
Oh
scared,
god,
I'm
what?
scared,
There's
I'm
a
scared,
man
I'm
on my
scared.
screen now.
Okay, well, I can't change that at all.
I want them to be really thick.
Yeah, let's just go to categories. How about a little doggy? Oh! 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 Ew! This dog! This poor dog! Here, let me send this to you.
No, please.
Yeah, this dog looks like an elephant and it's just horrible.
You're just looking at the red man.
Here you go. Oh, ew. Characters. What horrible things are here? Why would I find some horrible Dead Space monster? Oh, that's not a character. That's Satan. That's Satan. So
This is
there's
also
good stuff here.
Satan. This is literally Satan.
Alright.
Satan.
Is there anything horrible I can find here?
Everything is Satan at this point.
Okay, I can't find anything horrible here. I'll scroll down later. Landscapes. No, I don't think you could make anything horrible with landscapes. Just weird art. Oh, there. Oh, God. Oh, my God.
I have literally the best looking man
I
ever.
think
to
I
exist.
found him. Oh.
You like my man?
Put
Like
that
my man.
down. Get rid of the. No, I don't. I don't! Yeah! What is it
Love-
saying to me?
Nothing. It says nothing.
No, it's saying like, and then there's a man in like an ocean. And when I put the
Ocean
chaos
man.
up, yeah, ocean man. And then when I put the chaos up more, it becomes whatever that is. What about max chaos and a bit more red? Oh, I'm scared. Oh, no, that's not that bad. That's actually not that bad. Ah!
Look at this man.
Oh my God.
Look at this dude.
What happened to you? What happened?
Satan.
The same thing. It's literally the same thing. What about no chaos?
I want more chaos.
Oh, that's just that. It's literally
This guy
just
has
the,
no
oh.
eye. This guy has no eye.
Alright, how about how alright, there's a lot of humans here.
She took it. They took his eye.
Oh my God.
They took it from him. They took it from him. They took it. They took it from him.
This actually looks like a real human. I want to make it horrible. More chaos. There we go. How horrible are you gonna be? Alright, how about with no chaos?
There's no reason.
Oh my God! I should make that my profile picture on. That's terrible.
Bash.
That's gonna be my new profile picture.
Wait, send it to me. Send it to me. Come
No,
on.
the one that you sent me.
The red one?
Uncle Jimmy. Oh my God! What?
I'm trying to find the word.
Jeans.
I want him to be
Man.
thick now. I want them to be thick.
How do I select one? Oh,
It's too thick. It's too thick. It's too thick.
Random. Oh!
He's way too thick. He's way too thick. Look how thick he is.
Ah! What did you do to him? Here, you can have this.
He goes thicker.
Ah! Terrible! What are you doing to him? You monster! He's
No, I'm not doing
Satan.
anything. I want them to be really
You're
sharp.
literally Satan. You are literally. Oh! You are literally Satan. Doggy. Oh, God.
I
I'm gonna name this one Samara.
Samara.
I'm gonna name it Sarah. You want it?
No,
You
it's
want
Uncle
it?
Jimmy.
Oh
It's
my
Uncle
God! You made it horrible.
Samantha.
It's Sarah. No, it's Sarah now. Kite. What is kite? Oh!
That's sexy, man.
Terrible. What is this?
I'm dying.
Here, you can have this. What about with less kite? What about with less kite? What does that do? Negative
But-
1 kite.
Guys, look at the thing I said.
Oh my God! It is a mannequin. It's a mannequin with a child with a beard. The child. Oh my God! You can have this.
That's a baby. That's the baby. Can I get a picture of the womb?
No, that's weird. Weird shot. Oh.
It's Thomas. It's Thomas. It's Thomas Bash.
Oh.
Jesus, bro.
Oh my god, I found a man with red eyes somewhere. I don't know. It's terrible.
It's not a person anymore. It's not a person. It's not a person.
I found something truly terrible. You want to see it? Oh my god, what did you send me? You can have that. You can have that guy. Chaos, let's turn the chaos down. What does he look like? Probably McDonald's worker. Oh, no, that's not a McDonald's worker.
McDonald's. Imagine like the pictures.
No, it's terrible. Oh my god. He looks like a... It's terrible. And then he just looks to the right. Oh. That's even worse. Get off my back.
You can only kiss one of them, man.
The one on the left. The one on the most left.
You can only kiss one of them.
The one on the left. The one on the left.
I actually kind of like the one on the left.
Yeah, the eyes on the one on the right, though. Oh my god. Oh, horrible. Oh, what is that? Oh my god. What are you? Are you alright? You alright?
I'm just gonna skip.
Alright, there's this horrible creature here. More chaos than it's allowed.
Okay, that's not that bad.
I'm scared.
I want the. That's a baby.
Oh! What if I put 999 chaos? How much chaos can I put?
Oh, Johnny, Johnny literally popped up on
Oh,
one
it
of mine.
changes a bit, but that's okay.
Literally,
5
Johnny
chaos.
actually just popped up on them. Look at it.
Oh. Oh!
Look at Johnny. Look at Johnny's face reveal. My God.
0 chaos. I don't want you to be chaotic at all. What do you look like if you're not? Ew.
It's a
Disgusting.
chicken.
That's what you look like when you have no chaos.
Look at my chicken.
We're all really just one slider away from chaos. That's a pretty chicken. That is a very pretty chicken.
Chicken.
I want to make this man terrible. 4.2. How terrible do you look?
Oh my God, Bash.
Eyes open infinite. I want you to really open those pretty little eyes.
Remember in school when they're like that little scary thing that that little corn guy thing? I think it was called like corn meat.
No.
It's just him now. It's just him now.
0 chaos. If you open someone's eyes like ×4, they turn into a bright ball of godness. They just become God. They literally become God.
I want mouth open too.
Oh, bah! Oh no, I'm making something terrible.
Bash.
Josh! Josh!
Oh God.
Close your eyes! Not -14. Close those eyes. Close them. Oh! -14 mouth open. Your mouth is gonna collapse into your face.
Bash,
Well, it turned into a nugget.
No one that wants to go furries. Should I go into the furries?
No.
Okay, I'll stay
Don't.
away.
Just
Stay away from
from
that.
that. You stay away from that thing. Woofy. I want you to be the most human of human. Alright, well, there is no true human, so that's fine.
Apparently, people can actually make humans this one because abominate.
I want to do something terrible. I want to make your face terrible. 10 Asian.
Oh my god.
10 Asians in one person.
Alright, so I'm gonna have a.
Okay, that's not bad. How about 99999? Huh? Alright, let's open those. Oh, well, you can't. Again, you can't be human. You can't be too human. There is no such thing as being a human. Humans don't exist. If you open your eyes times 10, it turns into death.
Deadza.
Literally death. It's literally just a.
I want a hat. I want them to have hats. I want them to have hats. Give me hats.
Oh, why is
It's not a hat. Stupid.
Mouth open.
That's
Open
not a
that
hat.
pretty little mouth.
I want them to have
Okay,
facial
well, stop
hair.
doing that.
They have facial hair now.
Mouth open times
What?
10.
Facial hair?
Don't become something horrible. Don't become something horrible. That's not that bad. That's not that bad. Mouth open times 10 isn't so bad. You just turn into a blue ball. Oh!
I want them to be 7 billion years old.
They're laughing so hard. They're having a good time. Look,
Great.
they're laughing so hard. It's Sonic! It's Sonic!
I broke it. I literally
What
broke
did
it.
you do?
It's just giving me black now.
I want to make you horrible. Open mouth. Bar! Bar! Ah! What is that? Alright,
This is
how about
black.
times 10?
The darkness of the void.
Oh, not that. I made something horrible. Alright, how about open mouth times 100? What do you become? Nothing.
Pretty beautiful, I'm not gonna lie.
8. Yellow eyes. I want you to have 25 teeth.
How about chaos?
Alright,
1?
well, adding 25 teeth to someone turns them into Satan. Mouth open. Open that pretty little mouth. I want to add some teeth.
See,
Sharpness. I want you to be sharp.
I want you to
I
literally
want to be
be
real
a sword.
sharp.
Be a sword.
You're
Make
gonna-
them become swords.
Oh, well, you can't be 200 times sharp, so how about you become 1 sharp? Age 0. You're 0 years old. I'm going to make you 25 years old. Oh, well, 25-year-olds
Oh wow, that's
are
pretty sharp.
apparently purple, yellow, green, and something else. Something horrible. You know, it just becomes horrible. Eyes open. I really want you to open those eyes. Open those eyes.
Oh, live streaming. I want to do something else, please.
Why?
Please stop.
Why?
This game's scary. This game's too scary, man.
It's not a game. This is not a game.
It is. It is to me.
Well, that's a horrible game. Oh, alright, open that pretty little mouth.
I want 0.
Oh, that's terrible! That is terrible! You. Smile. I want you to frown. -14. Well, it erases their face. Okay, guys, that's enough. I've had enough of this site. Bye.